Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So I'm your Sharath HR. So guys, let's start the video. I was just going out, so just thought to have a conversation with you people. Let's begin the video, guys. So I hope you guys will like this video because I have installed my mic inside my helmet and GoPro adapter. Everything is bit ready, so I just wanted to have a try. So how this works, let's go outside and just start doing it. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. Guys, hope you can see the video. Just after installing it, I've come out just to see how this works near my home. So I hope you can see the perfect position, riding position, and the clarity of my with my new microphone and with my new GoPro adapter. So this is, I think this is perfectly going well. So hope you guys can see this. I hope wind noise will not be there. If wind noise is not there, I'll be the most happiest person, because almost after investing so much of amount, if I still face same issue, man, that really sucks. Of course guys, after investing so much of money and if facing the same issue, that really hurts. So I just don't want to face that issue. I'll just go see. After that, I don't know what to say. I'm a bit happy now to ride this RX 135, the most legendary bike in 1990 series, and this is one RX 135 which was purchased in 2000. So it's been almost 21 years till this now. So for this generation, this bike is almost a legendary bike for everyone, guys. Not only one single person love this bike, almost even a grandfather also loves this bike, just because this is one of the best bike in one time of period. So I'll just return back to home, and I'm just enjoying this bike and the ride. Okay, I'll just start acceleration. So this bike has this bike has damn torque, guys. It pulls like hell. Okay, I'll just drive. Wait a second, I'll show you something. I hope you guys can hear the noise of this bike.